Hi guys, welcome back to 4DDig. Your SD card is unreadable. Missing files or completely unrecognized is a common yet frustrating issue. In this video, we are going to show you 6 useful ways to fix the corrupted SD card. Importantly, you will know how to use Tenorshare 4DDig to recover data from the SD card that shows no media. Let's get started. Pre-checks before fix corrupted SD card. First, let's do some small checks. 1. Change adapter/card reader or USB port. Sometimes, the issue isn't the SD card itself, but the card reader or the USB port you're using. Try inserting the card into a different USB port or using a different card reader to rule out hardware problems. 2. Is your SD card write protected? The SD card becomes useless if it is write protected. You can check other videos in our channel to remove write protection from SD card. Method 1. Use CHKDSK command. CHKDSK command can check the file system for relevant physical errors. It's incredibly effortless to fix and recover files from corrupted SD cards with its help. So first, right-click the Windows icon and click Search. Type Keym in the taskbar. Select Run as administrator. Next, enter CHKDSK F/F. Ensure to replace F with the letter assigned to the SD card. Press Enter. Let the command CHKDSK finish. It takes time according to the volume of data your SD card contains. Method 2. Update the SD card driver. To do this, right-click the Windows button and choose Device Manager. Scroll down and find the card reader. Click the drop-down arrow next to. Find your SD card and right-click to select Update Device. Choose Search automatically for drives to proceed. Method 3. Use Windows Troubleshooter. The Troubleshooter can easily find and fix errors that are related to hardware. Right-click on the USB drive and tap Properties, then go to the Tools and click the Check button. This tool will automatically start diagnosing the USB drive for system errors and fix it. Method 4. If the card is not readable, you can assign a new drive letter to solve this problem. Right-click the Windows button, then select Disk Management. Locate the SD card and right-click on it and choose Change Drive Letter and Paths from the context menu. Click on Change from the popped-up menu. Select a drive letter from the drop-down list and click OK. Method 5. Use 4DDig Partition Manager. If you are looking for a reliable solution, then using 4DDig Partition Manager is your best choice. This tool can not only help you migrate Windows OS to SSD without reinstalling the system, but also help you clone your entire disk or partition. Moreover, it can help you effortlessly repair, recover, and restore partition from your computer or other storage devices. First, launch 4DDig Partition Manager. Head to Toolkit. You can simply select the disk you want to fix, then hit Repair Now. A corrupted SD card doesn't have to mean the end of your data. Next, I'll show you how to use 4DDig Data Recovery Tool to recover your files from the corrupted SD card. Once open 4DDig, select your SD card, mine is F. Then click Scan. Here I select all files. Click Scan selected file types to proceed. Just wait a moment and then you can get your lost data back. Here you go. So, the next time your SD card acts up, don't panic, just follow this guide. And if you found this article helpful, share it with someone who might need it. See you.